Okay, so let's just give this a quick wipe off the flux. It's nice and clean and it doesn't turn green. Right, so now that's all done and cooled down, we want to put the riser spindle and jumper with the washer back in. So first things first, you can do these together, but I'm just showing you for demonstration purpose. We'll put the riser spindle in first, and then put the packing gland next. And what we do with a set of grips, just give it a small tweak, and then with adjustable spanner keep turning the riser spindle until it feels quite firm. That will do, and there we go, there's one soldered drain cock.